Good morning, students. Let us take topic of the electrostatic potential and capacitance. The topic is energy stored in an electric field. Uh, to understand this, let us suppose that parallel plate capacitor. We have a parallel plate capacitor. The distance between the plate is small b, area of the plate capital A, and this capacitor is uncharged. The capacitor is uncharged. Our aim is to find out what will be the energy stored in this parallel plate capacitor when there is an electric field established between the plates of the capacitor. We know that when we charge this capacitor, then some work will be done. Let us suppose that we want to transfer charge, negative charge, that is electron, from this plate to this plate, from one plate to other. Now our target is to transfer, suppose we want to transfer electrons from one plate to other by somehow, by any magical method. Let us we want to transfer negative charge. We pick out negative charge from this plate and transfer it to this plate. This process will be done by a battery. When we connect the battery, then that battery transfer electron from one plate to the other. The negative plate of the battery transfer charge to this plate, and positive plate of the battery pick up the charge from this plate of the capacitor. When we do this, then there will be work done. Initially, when some electron transfer from this plate to this plate, then there will be no work done. But after some time, the charges accumulated here, when we transfer negative charge from this to this plate will become positive, while this plate will become negative charge, negatively charged. As some amount of charge, negative charge, developed across this, the same amount of charge will be developed across this plate as we transfer electron from this plate to this plate. Let us suppose that at any time q dash charge developed at the plates, means positive q dash at this plate and negative q dash at this plate. Then there will be electric field established between the plate of the capacitor. A uniform electric field established between the plate of the capacitor. Then the potential difference between the plate of capacitor is V dash. When charge q dash on the plates, जब कैपेसिटर प्लेट पे q डैश चार्ज डेवलप हो जाएंगे, तब इनके प्लेट के बीच की पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस p डैश हो जाती है. एंड when we transfer dq dash charge to the plate of capacitor, the work done, then The work done in this process can be written as dW equal to V dash dQ dash. Using this formula, we know that V equal to W by Q, therefore W equal to V into Q. Using this formula, we can write down work done in transferring charge, small amount of charge dQ dash on the plate of the capacitor. Now our target is to transfer total amount of charge Q on the plate of the capacitor. Then thus total work done in transferring Q charge on the plate is given by W equal to integral dq equal to integral 0 to q v dash dq dash. Now this v dash can be written as using the formula C equal to q by v, then v dash will be equal to q dash by c into dq dash. Now integrating this, we have 1 by c integral 0 to q into q dash dq dash, and we know that integral of x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the formula. Using this formula, we can write here 1 by c. This integral will be equal to q dash, here is power 1 because this is q dash, power is 1, q dash whole square by 2, limit 0 to q. Now put the limit 1 by c, first upper limit 1 by 2c, you can take 2 outside the bracket, 1 by 2c, and first upper limit q square minus 0 square. So this result will be equal to W equal to work done, W equal to q dash square by 2c, and this work done is stored in the form of energy, which is called potential energy stored between the plate of the capacitor. This work done is stored in the form of energy, and is called electric potential energy. And is given by U equal to q square upon 2c. This is the energy stored in the electric field. Now if you want to find out the energy density in the electric field or between the plate of the capacitor, suppose you want to find out energy density, what will be the energy stored per unit volume between the plates of the capacitor. Suppose energy density means energy stored per unit volume. As we have supposed that d be the distance between the plate of the capacitor and a be the area of the plate of the capacitor, then energy density small u will be equal to capital U by a into d. A is the area of plate of the capacitor, d is the distance between the plate of the capacitor. Then substituting this value 1 by 2 Q square upon C upon AD. This is AD. Now solve this, you can get the result. How can you solve this? You know that you can write here Q equal to CB. You can write here C square B square upon C upon AD. This will be cancelled out. This will be equal to half CB square upon AD. Now since we know that V equal to A into D, 1 by C, 1 by 2 C, V equal to E into D. D is the distance between plate of the capacitor. ED whole square upon AD. Now this will be equal to, what is, now substitute all values. Value of E, electric field, C, capacitance, then we have half, C means epsilon naught A upon D divided by A into D, and E means sigma upon, you can write here as E square D square. Then this D square will be cancel out, D square cancel out, capital A also cancel out. Then we have result half epsilon naught E square. So this is the energy density. Energy density will be equal to half epsilon naught into E square. You can get this result of the energy density. So this is all about energy stored in an electric field and also energy density per unit volume of that electric field. Okay, thank you.